Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Guides, and today we're going to talk about how you can cancel your order on Temu app. So at first you need to log in to your Temu app, and then you have to go to use section, and on the top you'll see one option, your orders. You have to click on this, and in this page you can see all the orders: processing, shipped, delivered and returns. So first of all, the shipped orders cannot be cancelled, but the processing orders can be. So you have to go to this page, processing, and you can see your orders here. From here you have to select the order and click on cancel and refund. After cancelling the product, you can see your returns here, and the amount will be directly transferred to your bank account or your Temu account. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.